roll and stomp. Yes, this is the other across the floor song that this is fun. Now, when you start this off, you can actually have everybody go to one side of the room, and the first part you can have them do just standing, right? So it's gonna say roll your arms to the front, and then I'm gonna say stomp your right foot, stomp your left foot, but don't have them move forward yet. They can either stomp your right foot, stomp your left foot, or they can just stomp and bring it back. Stomp your right foot, stomp your left foot. But keep the arms rolling. Then the same thing, roll it to the back, stomp your right foot, stomp your left foot. Then, when we start moving, we're going forward, round one, side to side, backwards, arms just go backwards. So round two, you're coming back down the floor like this. Arms roll backwards, but you're still stepping at an angle of your room. Now, you can choose, from the teachers, you can choose to do groups. The time, if you do, you might have to start the song over, or you can take the class as a whole all the way down, then have them turn around, and you can either kind of see where you are in the song. The song probably is enough to go across the floor once and then back down. But if not, go down once, and then go back again, but just make sure you have their arms going backwards. And they can also listen to you and follow direction as they're going. So you're just going to roll to the front, you can have them go down low, do levels, or up high. But either way, roll and stomp. It's another double. It's actually a triple. You got footwork, arms moving at the same time while moving. This prepares them for transitions, like when you do your combos or your dances that you put together, switching lines. And then you can just call it out. You can just call out, do the roll and stomp, switch lines, front line and back line. Roll and stomp, roll and stomp. So they're familiar with the song, but then that's how you add it in here. Now, I would suggest that each one of these skills maybe not do the whole album in one class. Like kind of write out your lesson plan. You might start off with the roller coaster wave, and then the next week you're gonna go into, the pancake, and just each week you're building on. And then what I like to do is also across the floor and at the end of class, I like to put them either a freestyle circle or have them line up and step forward one at a time and do one of the moves that they learned in class today. So whether it's the roll and stomp, pancake, roller coaster, whatever it is. So they're building their vocabulary in hip hop. So here it is. This is the roll and stomp. Have fun with this one. Go across the floor. Let's go.
So check it out. Just roll your arms to the front. Come on. Now stomp your right foot and stomp your left foot. Just roll your arms to the front. Come on. Now stomp your right foot and stomp your left foot. Now roll your arms to the back. Can you stomp your right foot and stomp your left foot? Just roll your arms to the back. Now stomp your right foot and stomp your left foot. Come on. All right, you looking good doing that right there. But now we're going to do it across the floor, and we're going to do it at the same time. So we're going to roll and stomp as we go right to left and travel across the floor. Come on. So when you do it, make sure you get your hip hop on. I want to see your swag on. You're going to follow Mr. Chris. Here we go. Across the floor. Yo, I just roll and stomp, roll and stomp, roll and stomp. Now wait a minute. Just roll and stomp, roll and stomp, roll and stomp, and bounce. Just roll and stomp, roll and stomp, roll and stomp. Now wait a minute. Come on. Just roll and stomp, roll and stomp, roll and stomp, and bounce. Yeah. That's looking real good. All right, so now we gotta go back the other way. But this time, when we roll our arms, we're going backwards with it. So still stomp with your feet, side to side, going across the floor, but the arms are going to go in reverse. All right, you ready to do this? Make sure you got your swag on 1,000. Here we go. Come on. And now roll and stomp, roll and stomp, roll and stomp to the back. Come on. I said roll and stomp, roll and stomp, roll and stomp. That's right. Now roll and stomp, roll and stomp, roll and stomp. You know. Roll and stomp, roll and stomp. Come on. Roll and stomp, that's the way it is, yo. That's the way it is, yo. You're doing your dance like this. You're looking real good, real fly, yo. And don't ask me why, Mr. Chris in the building.